Let's welcome the new year with a bang by celebrating at Sibuli's 5th and newest branch at Juan Ayala in Makati City. Kung hindi mo pa natatry dito, this is it! Ito na ang sign. Sibuli serves authentic and unlimited K-barbecue. They serve premium meat sourced from USA and Europe. Their only K-barbecue is 695 per person and that includes all 20 plus kinds of meat, the side dishes which is the soup, kimchi, lettuce, salad, pickled radish, japchae, steamed egg, rice, and the cheese dip. Love namin both the marinated meats and the plain meats. But our favorite is the wusamyuk. These are the side dishes. It includes masarap na kimchi, salad, and steamed egg. They also have Korean fried chicken. Naku, favorite to ni Twinkle. Usually, si Ikay talaga ang taga-grill namin. Pero ako, I love grilling here at Sibuli kasi non-stick yung grill nila. Syempre, I love the only cheese. Syempre, after the delicious meal, we enjoyed their dessert. Yan talaga ang favorite part ni Twinkle. Thank you for watching! Follow for more!